everyone. It's Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard on May 24th, 2021. Okay, let's go into the disclaimer. Okay, not financial advice, educational only. Don't bet what you can't afford to lose or invest in what you can't afford to lose. Don't do it. Twitter.com link below if you want to subscribe to my intraday updates as well as my entry exit points and major market moves. And to stay up to date with my latest videos, you can click the subscribe button below. I just did a new video for RLC, which is an iExec token, which you can definitely take a look at. It's a pretty interesting play on decentralized cloud. So let's move forward. Nothing's changed today. Obviously, I didn't sell anything, and I'm not planning to buy any more. So I'm kind of locked and loaded at 43.7 cents. And now let's go to the markets. We're going to make this quick because things are finally roaring back. By roaring back, I mean, you know, we were here a few days ago. So, all right, we're at 28 cents and change on the NuCypher US dollar pair. Back in the channel, I'm not sure exactly if this means much of anything anymore, just given the fact that I only care about two things. What are those two things? That's right, Bitcoin benchmark and NuCypher strength relative to Bitcoin. You do the math, Bitcoin over US dollar multiplied by NuCypher over Bitcoin, you cancel out the Bitcoin and you have the NuCypher over the US dollar left. And that's exactly what the left side of the equation is. So I look at this one here, Bitcoin, and I look at this one here, NuCypher strength to Bitcoin, to give me clues in terms of where I think NuCypher's US dollar is going. Well, I'm certainly bullish on US dollar. And if Bitcoin is not as volatile as NuCypher, and I think NuCypher will do very well in the future, well, then I would expect the volatility of the benefit of NuCypher and the success of NuCypher to propel NuCypher higher than Bitcoin because NuCypher has higher volatility inside of it. So that's why I am guessing and thinking, not guessing, I would say educatedly guessing, that NuCypher US dollar will start to go towards newer heights. Long term, I think it's a great play on infrastructure. And you know, I won't go through fundamentals here, but let's just go to this chart real quick. So yeah, this is the left side of the equation. We don't really care too much about that. Bitcoin US dollar, we clearly penetrated that green resistance line. I've been talking about this baby wedge. It's the baby to the pregnant mama on the outside. Look, this thing could go pretty high, pretty fast, and it has staying power right now. As far as I could see, it's over the 12-hour mark, and we're still above that green resistance line. What I'd like to see is us to start. I'd imagine we're going to start consolidating again to where I had mentioned we would have max pain support between 40-42. So we'll probably hit that 40-42 as resistance, and I expect it to bounce around. It's not to say that it will, it's just my expectation. So that being said, if we go over the NuCypher Bitcoin pair, we see this rounding pattern here. The rounding pattern is pretty impressive in the sense that it kind of bounced right back into that rounding pattern again. And if you look at the past, and I've brought this up before, we've had a short-winded rounding pattern. Some people call it a cup. Some people call it a cup and handle when it comes up with a little handle. But the rounding pattern is generally fairly reliable predictor. Now, we have to make sure this is properly rounding out, so we need to start to see this thing trending up. It's 7:22 right now. Earlier today or earlier in the week, yesterday, and into yesterday pretty much early morning, we were down to like 589. So, you know, we have to keep our eye on that. Speaking of keep, let's just take a look at the keep US dollar pair. I don't really see this as, I'm not feeling this at all. I don't think I even have the right keep chart on. Let's just pull up keep USD. We'll take the Kraken version of it and see what's going on here. So let's take a look at this. Oh, there's my chart. I almost forgot about this. We didn't even get back in there. Look, I'm just simply not I'm not feeling this chart. So I will still continue to say I can't comment on it. I think I'm going to stop tracking it. Sorry if it offends anyone. This thing doesn't even update. It's been the same spot like all day long. I'm not feeling any keep BTC pair anywhere. If someone could please find me one, that would be great. I'd love to see it. but this just doesn't do justice for the kind of analysis we need or anything I put my money into at this point. Anyway, NuCypher, we're almost, come on, get up to 30. We're almost up to 30 cents and 28.99. If we don't hit 29 cents by now, okay, good. So now we're at 29. I could close this video out on a positive note, and we continue to move upward. All the best, everyone. We'll catch up tomorrow morning, and have a good night.